Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm filming a plan with me for the week of March 22nd through the 28th. I had to look real quick since this planner isn't dated. And I'm filming a little bit early because I'll be going out of town this weekend to visit some family, and so I want to get this filmed and ready to go so that when I come back on Sunday, I don't have to worry about it. I'm using a super cute kit from Planning Roses, and it's kind of made for this planner, although I didn't order what I should have. I ordered just random things. Like I got the mini kit here with the boxes that are kind of shorter, and this one is longer, which I love. I think that's a really cool touch. But then I didn't get the right washi page. We're just going to make it work because this is so pretty, and I'm really excited to use it. And it's made basically for this planner, so it's gonna be cute. All right, so this week we are back at school, and other than physical therapy, I don't really have a ton going on, but school's gonna be crazy because we are nearing the end of a grading period soon, plus there's just like so many events happening, so it's not gonna look like a busy week, but it will be, and I will definitely show you the end at the end of the week so you can see the whole spread done, but there may be some blank spots here at the beginning, but I think we are ready to get started, so let's jump right in. So I'm going to start with my habit tracker and to-do section, and I'm just going to take this strip of the bottom washi and split it in half and put that down in this section. Now I'm trying something a little bit different this week. I put, instead of putting the strip on the bottom of the to-dos, I put it at the top. I do like that, but I think that I like it the other way better. I don't know, I'm kind of torn on it, so I might switch that up, you know, every week or so. And then I just cut down one of these flags to put beside the habit tracker. I just like the look of that. I think it looks cute. And then with my yellow dot marker, I'm just filling in these dots and just kind of adding that to the habit tracker as well. And then I'm going to put in these beautiful date covers. They don't have the numbers on them, but it's fine. I don't love when it doesn't have the number, but it's okay because these are so pretty. I don't know if you can see like the gold foil on them, but it's like in cursive and it matches the font of the kit, which y'all know I'm obsessed with a little bit, and it just looks so pretty. So I'm putting those across the top of each of the columns. I thought about using the weekend banner this week. I just don't know about weekend banners now. It just hasn't really worked out, but I'll try again another day. Okay, so I put in the March script sticker from Planning Roses, and then below that I put in the full box, which is so pretty. I have realized that I'm putting in the month sticker like not in the center. So what I think I need to do is put in the full box and then put in the month sticker. It's not a huge deal, but I think I'll try that next week. And then I put in a checklist, just cut it down a little bit. And then for my weekly cleaning list this week, I'm just going to use this green one. It matches really, really well. It's not exact, but it's very, very close. And I think once the spread is done, you can't even tell that it's a different color, but it's very, very similar. And then I'm putting in this box here for my kind of monthly highlight. I'm just using, again, some of the bottom washi and cutting it down to fill some space. Still haven't completely figured out my sidebar situation here. I do like adding deco, but of course this kit doesn't have deco, so I'm going to go ahead and pull in some deco just from my reusable sticker book, and you can see how uneven I cut that checklist. It's so bad, but it's fine. Totally fine. So I'm just going to pull a few stickers for this little section here just to kind of fill the space and make it look kind of cute right there. But again, I'm just kind of experimenting with that little middle section throughout you know, as I get used to this planner, just seeing what I like. But I think this works for this week. I think it looks cute. And then I just pulled one of these gold foiled stickers from my Sadie Stickers freebie to mark in that we were back to school this week after spring break, and that we have 9 weeks of school left, which I know it's gonna fly, but man, this year it's been really good in a lot of ways, but it's also just been like really exhausting, and I'll be glad when it's over and we can start fresh next year. So starting here on Monday, I put in a quick little checklist here from the kit, and then I just am putting in my full boxes. So I'm putting in some on Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm finding that that's a really good placement for me. And then I'm putting one on Friday and Sunday. So I think I'm going to continue that because it's working pretty well. Sometimes I have to cut them down. You'll see Friday switches up a little bit, and I kind of just kind of play around with that. Okay, so back to Monday. Oh, I really wanted to use this box because it has like this really cool geometric like dotted pattern. It's really pretty. Okay, so for Monday, I wanted to finish up my plan with me from the week before because I was gone all weekend, and then do some editing and then cook dinner for the week. And then this box here was for my workout for the day. This was the best workout I had all week. It just went downhill. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. And I feel like, you know, with the intuitive eating, it's like teaching me to like listen to my body and what I need. And like, I just needed some rest, especially toward the end of the week because I got my second COVID vaccine and it was rough. So I was kind of forced to rest there for a couple of days. Okay, so here I'm marking in just some meetings at work. I like to mark in just like the big events. And so this is going to go on Tuesday. Again, I just pulled from my Sadie Stickers freebie for that little paper clip. And then I used the little arrows for my videos for the week. And then for my physical therapy this week, I just pulled 2 of these kind of same labels, and then I didn't know what I wanted to use to mark them, so I just pulled these little dots. I thought they looked kind of cute and just kind of made it stand out a little bit. I don't know. I just liked the way that it looked. And so it was at 3 p.m. on Tuesday and 4 p.m. on Thursday. So I put those in. And then I also wanted to put in some activity for Wednesday. And I also wanted to mark meal planning on Wednesday. So I'm just going to pull one of the little boxes. I think these are so cute and I never really use them that often. This one was too big for me to use for my workout for that day. So I pulled in a kind of a third box instead. And then for the meal planning, this is where I pull in the little box. I think that's so cute. And it has a little bit of foil on it. And then I just use one of these little journal stickers for a little icon there. And then on Friday, I was going to be the admin on duty because all of the principals were gone for various events or just because they were out of town. And so I just used another one of those paperclip stickers to mark that. Luckily it went well. I was scared a little bit, as I always am when I have to do that, but it was good. It was totally fine. The kids were great. And then on Saturday, I knew I was going to get the COVID vaccine either this week or next week. So it ended up being on Friday. So everything I'm putting on Saturday here did not happen. I was so tired. I have not had a fever like that in a very long time. And I was just like worn out. So I did not do any filming on Saturday. I did everything on Sunday. I just really rested and listened to what my body needed. And so this was kind of wishful thinking that I was going to feel better than I actually did. But it hit me pretty hard. Luckily, it was just like a whole like 24-hour, 36-hour kind of thing. And I was totally fine. But I'm really glad that I got that done. And then on Sunday, I put a grocery run here, but I actually ordered my groceries. I just decided to do that this week, and it's just so convenient. And then this is for my activity for Sunday. I don't know if I'm going to do anything today. which I'm filming this voiceover on Sunday, just because I'm still a little bit wiped out and I just want to rest a little bit and not, not hit it too hard when I'm not ready. I just cut out some of the foiled pieces of this full box that I had cut down, and I'm just adding it to this section. I just thought that was kind of pretty, and I really wanted to use that bee because it was really cute. And then I had this leaf, and I just added it to that piece of washi there. So now I'm looking at my weekly actions here, which I forgot to show you at the beginning, and just seeing what I need to add to my to-do list and to the spread itself. So for habits this week, PT exercises, 15 minutes of intuitive eating learning, and my PM routine, which I didn't do so great at any of those things this week, but next week will be different, I think. And then just adding a couple of to-dos here from that weekly actions list, and just double checking and making sure that I'm not missing anything. So here is how this week turned out. It's so pretty and shiny and beautiful. I love the like geometric shapes and stuff in this kit. So pretty. So I didn't mention this when I was doing the pre-planning, but I ended up getting my second COVID shot on Friday. I didn't put it in because I didn't know if it was like happening that week or the week after. And it's now Sunday morning and I'm feeling a ton better, but Saturday was really rough and Friday night was really rough. So I did not get anything done on Saturday at all. I was pretty much in bed this whole time. So today's Sunday and I'm going to try to catch up on everything that needs to get done, and then whatever doesn't need to get done, just going to forget it because I'm still tired. And that was mainly like my biggest symptom, was just like being so tired, and I just didn't want to do anything, and I had a fever and I like was sweating through my clothes. It was a whole thing, but still totally worth it. So glad to have that done and to be feeling very like, or more secure, like in a couple weeks when I'm fully vaccinated and all of that. So, okay, here's what I have left in this cute little kit. I used quite a bit of this kit, but I do want to try getting the right pages and seeing what I can work with in like that kit. So, but I did love the artwork in this, and the colors are so beautiful. It's just so pretty. I really like that. Like I said, I do have quite a few things that are needing to get done today, and then I've already X'd out some things that are just not going to happen. But next week is Easter like weekend, so I have a couple more days to like get some things done and kind of catch up. So I'm not worried about like not getting everything done this week. So let me check in with my goals here. So I feel like maybe I didn't show this at the beginning. I don't think I did. But here is this week, my weekly actions in my Moxie life. So sleep, still not on a good sleep schedule. That is going to carry over to next week and really next month. I will have my goals video up soon for you guys. And sleep is definitely a priority for next month. I almost finished my book. I've got like maybe 50 pages left. So I'm almost done with that. School was really, really good this week. Family's good this week. This was just not, it just wasn't happening this week. I wasn't feeling unmotivated, and then this weekend just was like a complete bust, which is fine. We'll try again next week. This was 15 minutes of intuitive eating learning. I did pretty well. Like I made it one of my habit trackers. So like halfway. So this is something that's going to carry over to next month as well. And then budget was good, and I kept it really simple and just did tidying up for this week because I knew it was going to be a busy week, and that was fine. So I feel like medium about my goals this week. It's just in context, it's fine. We'll do more next week and the week after and all that, but feeling okay about where I'm at right now, and I feel good about this week. It was a really good week at school, and then you know, you gotta rest when you gotta rest. So I'll take it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And let me know how you're doing and just anything that you want to tell me. I'm always curious what's going on with y'all. But I will see you next time. Bye.